I feel like I have a lot to learn, and I think being in the museum is a good setting for me to really progress my knowledge. I'm RG Celaya Castillo. I'm an RPM apprentice at LeMay America's Car Museum. I was working at a Chevy dealership before this, and I did realize a lot earlier in my life that I liked more classic cars. So when I found this, figured I'd take a shot at it, and I managed to actually get the job.
The RPM Foundation exists to bring the next generation of skilled craftspeople into the vehicle restoration and preservation industry. There's a serious lack of young people getting into this skill and this trade, and the RPM Foundation has programs to overcome that. One of those is our apprenticeship program. The young people who are passionate about this are out there, and it's up to the RPM Foundation to find them and give them opportunities like the RPM Apprenticeship Program.
I've done brake jobs and replaced radiator hoses, and a lot of what I've done here is also helping with museum operations, which can range from going to off-site locations and bringing in cars or just moving around what's already in here. So it's not always just mechanical work that I do.
We bring young people straight from high school or from a community college directly into a restoration shop to learn this trade from the craftspeople who've been doing it for decades. This allows somebody to earn a living and offset their expenses while they're learning this valuable, disappearing skill.
I think I've learned a lot with Dale. He's been there like every step of the way and always like been someone I could rely on so far with this job. So I think with the guidance that I get from Dale, I think it's helped out a lot with my future. Being here in the museum has helped me like greater understand what I'm doing, and hopefully I'll continue to help the museum out as much as they've helped me so far.
This Giving Tuesday, please consider supporting the RPM Foundation and our apprenticeship program.